So hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today we'll discuss about a command called cut. Cut. Okay. So what's that command? Cut. What's the use of that command? First we'll see cat/etc password file. Okay, it says having multiple fields. How many fields? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What are field? Username, password pointer, UID, GID, comments, user home directory, and the shell. Okay, so that's all. But if I ask you, give me all the username which got created, so you will hit the password file, then you will say, array, this many things, how to get this first wala thing, only first, because some user is having single character, some is having 4 characters, some is having multiple characters. You can't control those things. So that time savior is cut command. So how it will save you? So before this, we'll see cat password file. So every value, okay, every field is separated with colon. Okay, you are able to see one field colon, second field colon, third field colon, fourth field colon, and this type of colon. How many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Every 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So we use cut command. So cut, what we'll do? Okay, we'll cut column. So -c 1, 2, 3 /etc password. Didn't got anything. Okay. Then do cut 1. We got line 1. Okay, the first character. Okay, first character we got. If I do 1, 2, 3, I got 3 characters, but that is also not fulfilling my thing, because some username is starting with 1 and some are starting with 3, 4 characters. Okay, we'll do 3 and 6. This is also not useful for this scenario. So -c to cut the column. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. But for field, you are having F. Which field we want? First field, username. And what's the delimiter? What is delimiter? Which is making difference between field number 1 and 2. So if you go up, you see the password file. This is a semicolon which is differentiating between column 1, field 1, field 2, field 3, field 4, 5, 6 and 7. So this column is the same. So what we'll do? Cut -f1, cut field 1, delimiter is colon in etc password. Boom. We got all the username. Root, daemon, bin, sys, klp. There's nothing like, there is no restriction how long the name is, how short the name is. You will get the first. Now if I ask you, okay, give me a how many users are having which type of shell. So first column, first field is having username and 7th field is having shell. So what we'll do? Field 1, 7. We got root is having bin bash, daemon is having sbin no login. Here delimiter you are able to see. So that's how cut will work. So I am giving you a scenario also. This p user is having bin sh. Okay, if I want to print username, password, UID and GID also. Okay, so UID is in 3rd field and GID is in 4th field, and then we are in 7th field. So username, UID, GID and shell. So what we are doing, we have given the range with comma, we are separating those things. So cut field 1, 3 to 4 and 7, delimiter is this. Okay, so this how we can use the cut command. It is very useful command. Like you are able to see, if my manager will ask me, Amit, give me the list of the user which is having as win, as a shell. Okay, or give me the list of the user and their shell. So what I will do, cut hyphen of. So what I will do, I will do cut hyphen f field 1 and field 7th, where I am having a delimiter colon slash etc password. I got. Okay. Same thing if someone asks me in a shadow file. So what we'll do, shadow permission deny, because I have logged in as a normal user. Sudo working. There is no seventh field. That's why we are getting only this thing, because in shadow we are having only 5 field, 1 and 5th. You got the detail. Okay, so that's the power of cut command. It can cut from any file. Now we'll see some other file where we can having the different delimiter. So we'll create a file vi slash tmp cut file. I'm giving a file name is cut. Hi, this is Amit. So and semicolon, this is Sumit. Okay, only one file I'm writing. So here if you see, if I get, there are different fields. How many fields? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But how you are counting? If we are counting space as a delimiter, then there are 7 fields. If we are counting semicolon as a delimiter, then there are 2 fields. We'll see the both cut hyphen f. Okay, field 1 and delimiter we are giving space. We'll define like this slash tmp cut file. Okay, we got high. But if I do in space of space, I do semicolon, I get the complete line. To make the difference, if I cut column field 2, I'm getting this is Sumit. Okay, because it is checking after the semicolon. But if I put space here instead of colon, it will print this, which were the first field and second field. This will get print. So that's how you can decide your own delimiter. Okay, here you can decide S as the delimiter. Okay, let's assume you will decide S. So what will happen? First S is this, second S is this. Between second field is I space I. You got that thing. If I put S as the delimiter and first field I will use, this will print hi THIS. Okay, I did one mistake. Instead of 1, I mentioned Q. Okay, so I can use T as a delimiter. You got high because this starting with T, you can print second field. You can select any delimiter and define here. And if you want only first column, then you are having C1 slash tmp cut file array. Okay, if you are having range 1 to 5, you can print like this. Yes, space is also counted as a column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's counting the space also. If I put 0, nothing will get print because it is starting from number 1. So counting will start from number 1. 1 to 5, 1 to 10, 1 to 30, whatever you are having. Okay, so that's how you can use the cut command in your environment. There are many scenarios where you will use the cut command, like let me show you slash etc passwd. Okay, pipe cut. Okay, we'll do pipe grep Amit user and we'll do cut hyphen f field 1 and 7th hyphen d colon this will not work because cut command required one file name after this. Okay, it's working. So how it is working? First, cat/et password got printed, and because we are having a pipe symbol, this output has taken to this command as the input. From this menu line, it has grabbed the Amit wala line. Okay, from Amit line, this pipe make as an input for this file. So cut-f-17d delimiter got the input from grep Amit, and we got this out. So what pipe is doing is taking first command output and passing input to second command, and second command output passing input for a third command, and then we are getting the final output. Even you can put more pipe and you can customize more. You can do cut -f, okay, field second -d delimiter. I can put slash, we'll go in a single. You got bin. See, so there are multiple scenarios you can use. So that's all for the today's video. This is a cut command. You can use, learn it. Okay. If you have any questions, you know where to place the questions. I'll help you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.